Is foundation repair covered by insurance? Usually not unless caused by an insured event like flooding or earthquake. So here's the deal with foundation repair and insurance. You know, it's kind of tricky. Most standard homeowner insurance policies don't cover foundation damage because it's seen as a maintenance issue or wear and tear. But if your foundation got messed up because of something like a flood, earthquake, or even a tree falling on your house, then yeah, insurance might step in. You want to check your specific policy for stuff like perils covered, or if you have extra riders for things like flood or earthquake damage. Another tip is to document everything. Take pictures and get professional inspections right away so you have proof when you file a claim. Also, make sure your home insurance is up to date and consider adding flood or earthquake coverage if you live in a risky area. If you're unsure about your policy, call your insurance agent and ask straight up what is and isn't covered about foundation issues. And keep an eye out for signs like cracks in the walls or doors that don't close properly. Catching problems early can save you big bucks later. One of the biggest mistakes people make about foundation, repair, and insurance is assuming all damage is covered. That's usually not true because most policies exclude things caused by normal settling or poor maintenance. Fix? Read your policy carefully and ask your insurer what exactly is covered. Another common issue is not having documentation when filing a claim, which can lead to denial. So, take photos, get reports from contractors, and keep all paperwork organized. The third mistake is ignoring small cracks or warning signs, thinking they'll fix themselves, which just makes the damage worse and more expensive later on. Get a professional to check early on so you don't end up with a huge repair bill that insurance won't help with. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors for foundation, repair, or any home project without the hassle. It also helps contractors get more work by connecting them with people who really need their skills.